Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Jain Bakers Academy YouTube channel. Today we have planned to produce Swiss roll. We are going to make a simple fatless sponge, and then we will show you how to make the Swiss roll. Thank you. So the raw materials we required for the Swiss roll is 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, approximately it will 150 grams of eggs, 10 grams of cake gel, 5 ml of lemon flavor, 10 ml of vanilla flavor, 20 ml of water, and 20 ml of oil. And we are going to have, for the Swiss roll, normally comes with the jam. They call it a jam roll also. So we have jam. So now we go for the mixing. So first thing, I take the sugar and I put the cake gel. I am going to add almost all the liquids into it. Eggs, lemon, vanilla, and water. So now watch carefully. Now it's a very important step. I have taken 100 grams of flour and 5 grams of baking powder. I have taken and I am going to sift it. Most of the European recipes, chefs will agree with me. They will say, sift it thrice. Now I am going to sift the entire quantity of flour into the mixer. Mix it slowly for a minute, for 30 seconds. Then you can whip it nicely, high speed, for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, you keep your oven ready with the temperature of 200 degrees centigrade. So the batter is getting ready. What I have done is, I prepared the tray. This is a very important step. When you are lining the tray, first I have put oil, I have brushed it with oil, and I have put a butter paper, and on top of also I have brushed with oil. So when the batter is ready at this stage, what I am going to do is add the oil. I have added the oil. Just run for 30 seconds and your Swiss roll batter is ready. If you want to make a birthday cake the same way, instead of a Swiss roll tray like this, you can put it into a tin. If you put 250 grams of batter, when you decorate the cake, you will be getting about half a kg of cake. That is the thumb rule. Okay, now I mixed with the oil. Now I am going to take out this batter. You can see the batter, so nice. Now we have deposited the batter in the trays, and now I am going to bake it. And now viewers, see, you check now, this is the Swiss roll is ready. I have just taken it from the oven and just removing it from the mold. Be careful with the mold, it's very hot. Don't handle it. So now I will allow it to cool 5 to 10 minutes, and I will roll it with jam within 10 minutes. So when the 10 or 15 minutes, otherwise it will become brittle. It will become brittle. So before it becomes brittle, I will roll the sponge into a Swiss roll. So I know these sides are all little crisp. Side down. As I said, since I have put oil in the paper, it is easy for me to remove from the sponge. Voila! It's so easy. Now I can trim the sponge when it is hot. Removing all the biscuit portion of it, so that I will be able to roll with the softer portion of the sponge. See, that's it. Now this is the sponge for the Swiss roll. So the viewers, the sponge is warm to the touch. Now I am going to apply the jam. This is known as an offset spatula, which is easy for you to spread the jam. Before you put it into the sink, you just mash it, and especially the sides, it should be put more. So, how to roll the Swiss roll? Like this. Just you need some practice, and simply roll the sponge, and now you have rolled it nicely. Now this is ready. You want, again pressing a little more. I'm going to put it in the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes. Yes. Now your Swiss roll is ready. I've taken it from the fridge. So it is nice and warm. Don't need this paper anymore. So I'll use a nice serrated knife, and when I am cutting the sponge, don't press it like this. You always use a sawing motion like this. Okay? So viewers, today we are presenting jam rolls or Swiss rolls made with fatless sponge cake. To recap, we have used 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of eggs, that is 3 eggs, 10 grams of cake gel, 20 grams of oil, 10 ml of orange flavor, 5 ml of lemon flavor, 10 ml of water, and 5 grams of baking powder. So we mixed the egg and cake gel for 30 seconds. Then we added the eggs, water, flavors, everything along with the egg, and we whip it for 5 minutes. When the sugar has dissolved, we added the flour, baking powder, mixer, and we whip it for 5 minutes. Then we put it on the baking sheet and bake that 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. And we have taken it out and we cooled the batter or the sponge for 15 minutes. Then we applied jam, rolled it, and we kept it in the fridge for 20 minutes, and we have sliced it. You can keep the Swiss roll in the fridge for a longer period also. You can cut it whenever you like. So this is a very simple recipe. I welcome you all to JM Bakers Academy YouTube channel, and I welcome you for the JM Bakers Academy online classes starting from next week. You can learn baking at the comfort of your home globally, anywhere, any part of the world. You can watch my program. A simple and easy baking methods we will be teaching. For those in India who undergo this 15 days training, will get certified as craft bakers by NSDC, Skill India program. So it is a certificate program. You will be recognized as a craft baker, and you will be eligible to get jobs in bakeries, and you can start up a small bakery on your own. So if you want to contact, please contact JM Bakers Academy 999 437 4371. Once again I tell you, 999 437 4371. Or you can WhatsApp 978 972 4371. I repeat, WhatsApp 978 972 4371. I wish you all the best in your baking career. Thank you.